So now it's time for me to drive this truck, the Scania R660 V8. Happy days. Look at that. Tjena! Har du lust att vara kameraman? Den rullar redan så att det är bara att hålla i den. Okej, clutch. Så trycker den i kopplingen nu alltså?
Ja, behöver du inte göra.
Det behöver inte göra.
Det är en så kallad on demand, så att den gör det när du vill.
Okej.
Sådär, så att...
Det är bara att köra drive här då?
Ja, och sen släppa handbromsen. Du får ha foten så.
Okej, here we go!
Är det bara att åka?
Nice. Jag kommer prata lite engelska. Jag har en YouTube-kanal nämligen som...
Jag misstänkte det.
Du gjorde det. So here we are. This is the 660 R V8 water machine. Wow. Holy smoke.
Där får du stanna.
Ja.
Tryck på bromsen bara. Så, du kan åka.
Så hur mycket har vi i vikt?
60 ton ungefär.
This is 60 tons, guys. V8. This is not a truck, this is a sports car. I mean, this interior is amazing. I really love this. And all the buttons on the door here, easy to reach. And the power, amazing. Oh my god, this thing moves. Jesus Christ. Oh, this is so cool. Christmas came early. Jesus Christ. Can we do another lap?
Yes.
Nice.
Du kan hålla ut vänster här lite grann så här.
Ja.
Så kan du stanna.
Oh my god, guys. This is a steep hill. He wants me to stop this truck
Så,
and full throttle.
nu åker vi.
No, okay. Come on. Oh, this is 60 ton and it moves like a... Oh my god. Oh my god. The torque.
3500 newtonmeter.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so impressed. I can't describe this, guys. You have to try it by yourself. The power. And it comes directly. The torque is... Holy smoke. And the brakes, the retarder, I'm speechless. I can't describe this feeling I got right now. Holy. And remember, this is 60 tons, so metric tons. So this is heavy things, heavy duty. I mean, I love the electrical truck. I love the electric things, but
this is the real thing.
This is the real V8 thing.
Ja.
This is Scania's masterpiece. This is You can't do anything else to this truck. This is perfect. This is perfect. I wouldn't change anything in this truck. On this truck, I wouldn't change anything. This is 100% perfection. This is beyond my expectation. Oh my god, yeah, I'm speechless. And this is not a truck, this is a sports car. I mean, interior, you sit like a king. This is like a Porsche or Ferrari or Lamborghini or whatever. This is not a truck, this is so easy to drive. Everybody can drive this truck. It's amazing. Ska jag stanna bakom?
Ja.
We're going to stop behind the electrical truck. And I want to thank my cameraman for today from Scania in Södertälje. Closer or?
It's okay.
It's okay. Parking brake. Neutral. And turn it off.
Yeah.
Thank you. Look at these guys. I'm so freaking look at this when you turn the ignition key. I mean, amazing. Thanks for watching. Bye.